Hello students, good morning. Welcome to all in Environmental Studies lecture. In this lecture we are going to start our unit number 17. The name of the unit is the pottery. So let's we start. Pottery is made of a clay. First of all, the clay is prepared by pressing and squeezing it by hand. This makes it soft and smooth and removes the air bubbles which may otherwise break the clay when it is baked. Look at this potter squeezing, kneading, flattening and rolling the wet clay. You can see in this picture that potter is squeezing, kneading, flattening and rolling the wet clay. The potter's wheel. The pots are made on the potter's wheel. See, this is the picture of potter's wheel. This is a flat, round, wooden or a metal surface that turns when the potter shapes the clay on it. This wheel may be powered using electricity or moved when the potter rotates it. A large lump of clay is placed in the potter's wheel or a chuck. Then the potter sets the wheel moving while supporting the clay with both his hands. The potter keeps on splashing water on the clay. Slowly the clay on the wheel begins to take shape. He pitches and pulls the wet clay to make the mouth of the pot. Then he takes a string and cuts off the base of the pot from the clay lump on the wheel. Then he carefully places the wet pot to dry. After some time, the pot is baked in a slow fire in the furnace of a kiln or an oven. These dried pots can be painted with a bright color to make them look beautiful. Pottery can also be made by the slab method. In this method, a rolling pin is used to flatten a clay lump which has been prepared. You can see the picture of slab method pottery. See. Equal slabs are cut and then joined together with a paste of water and clay. Early pottery. Earlier, pots were used to fill water, to store grains, to cook food, and to bury the remains of the dead. You can see this picture. Early pottery is looking like this. The old pots had designs and pictures painted on them. Large pots called urns were used to store grains or to store the ash of the dead in India. A kundi was a flat pot with raised edges 2 or 3 inches high. Diyas are made of clay during Diwali. You can see the picture, different types of diyas are there. We use this diya during the Diwali. Have you heard someone using an earthen pot to play a beats as on a tabla? This is called a ghatam and is popularly used in Carnatic music. This picture is about the ghatam. You can make your own musical instruments. Take a 6 or a 8 empty clay pots. Use 2 pencils or a drumsticks and strike them to produce sound. You can see this picture that lady is using her hand by playing this ghatam. Grade them according to their sound as the baked clay gives a deep melodious sound. Now, these all are about this unit. Now, let's move our exercise. Question number 1, new words. Pottery, pottery. Squeezing, squeezing. Bubbles, bubbles. Kneading, kneading. Flattening, flattening. Rolling, rolling. Wooden, wooden. Metal, metal. Electricity, Electricity. Chuck, Chaak. Splashing, Splasing. Splashing. Pitches, Pinches. Clean, Klin. Slab, Slab. Grains, Grins. Uns, Urns. Kundi, Koondi. Khatam, Ghan. Now let's we move to question number 2. Answer the following question. How is the clay prepared? Answer is the clay is prepared by pressing, squeezing, kneading, flattening and rolling it by hand. Question number 2. What is a potter's wheel? A potter's wheel is a flat, round, wooden or a metal surface that turns when the potter shapes the clay on it. Question number 3. How are pots made on the potter's wheel? Answer is a large lump of a clay is placed in the potter's wheel. The potter sets the wheel moving while supporting the clay with both his hands. Then the potter keeps on splashing water on the clay. Slowly the clay on the wheel begins to take a shape. Next, he pitches and pulls the wet clay to make the mouth of the pot. Then he takes a string and cuts off the base of the pot from the clay lump on the wheel after drying back in a clean. Question number 4. Describe the early pottery. Answer is early pots were used to fill water, to store grains, to cook a food and to bury the remains of the dead. Now let's we move to our next exercise, fill in the blanks. First one is a blank is used in a Carnatic music. Answer is Ghatam. The clay is prepared by blank and blank, pressing and squeezing. A large lump of the clay is placed on the potter's wheel or a blank. Chaak. Answer is the chaak. Blank are made of a clay during the Diwali. Answer is diyas. Fifth number, the old pots had a blank and blank painted on them. Answer is designs and pictures. Now, our next exercise, rewrite the false statement correctly. First one is the potter's wheel may be powered using electricity. Answer is the right. Second one is the pottery is made of a wood. Answer is a false and right answer is pottery is made of a clay. Next, a kundi was a flat pot which is a 10 inches high. Answer is false and right answer is a kundi was a flat pot which is 2 or 3 inches high. Fourth number, diyas are made of metals. Answer is false. Diyas are made of clay. We cannot make any musical instrument using clay pots. Answer is the false. Right answer is we can make any musical instrument using a clay pots. So these all are the exercise of this unit. Try to understand it, write it in school notebook and learn it.